So under performance management, we have competencies. Now, competencies is all about the how. So how employee behaves while doing, their job. Behaviors such as, customer service, team player, leadership skills, communication. An employee might be, a good person or a good salesperson, but brings negativity around the rest of the team. That makes the workplace very toxic. So you always want to measure how do they perform or how they do the job. Or a manager, that has leadership skills that drive, his team to leave the company. So this is one of the key components of evaluating a performance of an employee. Now, if we come to the screen here, we see the ratings. These, we have created default rating, but you can always, edit or delete or add, a new one based on your company practice. This is how we can add a new rating. So we come here and we can put the add the name, the rating, and this is for reference. You can add a description and then allocate score, percentage score. The range will help you will help in scoring every employee against the allocated competency. So a final score of the employee performance is calculated. So this is very important. It will help you at the end when you're doing evaluation. Now, if I go back to the competency menu and I come here, here is in this section you can add your the name of the competency, like customer service, leadership skills, etc. You can provide description and definition of that competency. Select employee level grade that this that applies to this competency. And and against every rating here you'll find behaviors indicators that corresponds to or defines that particular rating. There are buttons here that you can edit and you can delete. Now you can always create a new competency, and you can create multiple competencies. For example, you can have communication skills that varies from one job to another. The way you evaluate a senior manager communication skills is different than supervisor or a customer service agent. So that's why you can have the same competency but multiple. But I recommend that you differentiate them with the employee levels. So here you add the name, you add the description, define the criteria based on the rating, and then select the level. And after that, you just save. And that's how you define the competencies.